BJP National Working President Nitin Nabin filed his nomination for the election of the post of the party's national president at BJP headquarters in New Delhi. Several senior leaders including Union Ministers Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, JP Nadda and Dharmendra Pradhan were present on the occasion. The Saffron Party is set to announce its 12th national president tomorrow. UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan arrived in New Delhi this evening for his third official visit since assuming office. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received him at the airport with a meeting scheduled at the PM's residence. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar urged Poland to adopt zero tolerance towards terrorism during talks with Polish Deputy PM Radoslaw Sikorski in New Delhi, stressing regional security, cross-border challenges and broader global developments in discussion. Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav chaired the 88th Standing Committee meeting of the National Board for Wildlife in New Delhi, reviewing the action taken report on earlier decisions, policy measures and streamlining processes including Parivesh portal improvements. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi unveiled Pragati Prabha, the state government's official mouthpiece published by the Department of Information and Public Relations, designed to showcase ongoing developmental projects and key initiatives while enhancing public awareness. A gas pipeline burst during construction in Cuttack's CDA Sector 9 area, causing panic among the people. The high-pressure leak shot gas nearly 50 feet into the air, alarming residents and shopkeepers. Emergency teams rushed to the spot for the immediate repairs. US President Donald Trump has invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to join the newly formed Board of Peace, aimed at fostering lasting peace in Gaza. The invitation, shared by US Ambassador Sergio Gore, highlights cooperation on Middle East and global conflict resolution. The Election Commission will host the India International Conference on Democracy and Election Management (IIC-DEM) 2026 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi from Wednesday. The three-day event will see nearly 100 delegates from over 70 countries discuss global democratic practices. The 56th Annual World Economic Forum begins today in Davos, Switzerland, with over 3,000 global leaders attending. More than 100 Indian CEOs and a large government delegation will join the 5-day discussions on global economic and policy challenges.